Hey everybody, it's yours truly, Chicken Nugget King 313. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm at 292 subscribers. Make sure you keep on sharing, liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel as I get closer and closer to 300. Now, we're going to be talking about Mike Green out of Marshall, a stud that's making a name for himself at the Senior Bowl. And I'm telling you, scouts, they're like literally oozing over this guy. Like literally, he's an exceptional talent, and scouts are oozing about his potential of what he could bring in the NFL. The number speaks for itself. Whatever team selects him in this year's draft is getting the best out of him day in and day out. I truly think he would be a monster alongside Hutch if he falls to the Lions at the 28th pick. Based off what I've seen so far from the reps he had in the Senior Bowl with quick get-off speed through one-on-one drills against offensive linemen, can he keep it going? Absolutely. Power, agility, and the smarts to use whatever move there is to get to the quarterback is something that Mike Green does. He's a phenomenon right now. And any team in the NFL should not pass this kid up. Even the Lions. I definitely believe he would be, a powerhouse with Hutch opposite of him. You got Zadarius Smith, that's cool, but you need another powerhouse, another fit that can really stick with this defense, because this defense is going to be healthy coming into the 2025 season, and they have a lot to deal with going into the season with Kelvin Sheppard being the DC. And DCs are going to make the right calls. They are. They're going to make the right calls and put players in good positions to get to the quarterback. But if you add Mike Green with Zadarius Smith, Aiden Hutchinson, DJ Reader, Aleem McNeil, Levi Onwuzurike, who is a free agent, if you bring him back, you got to bring him back with the right total of money that he's going to be, priced at. And if you bring in Josh Pascal back, if you bring him back, then that front line is going to be something to watch. I'm telling you, it's going to be must-see TV with Aiden Hutchinson, Mike Green of Marshall going into next season. And I would like that guy. Many Lions fans would love to have this guy on our roster at the 28th pick. And there's plenty of quality players, plenty of great names in this year's draft defensively. Offensively, there is some names offensive tackle-wise. To me, I'm going to do my top 5 offensive tackles that I would like to see in this draft. I would. But the quarterback room, the quarterback class, it's definitely, no disrespect, a whack. It's like a whack job right now. But other than that, the defensive studs that this draft class have, including Mike Green, is something to watch, is something to look forward to going into the 2025 season. And we already know about the Super Bowl. We already know about the Shrine, East-West Shrine Bowl and all that whatnot. I'm definitely going to get down to that ASAP and whatnot. But today, it's just Mike Green right now, and Mike Green and his numbers, they speak for itself. It screams out stud, 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 stud. That's what it screams out to you. And that's what it screams out to me as I'm looking into this camera. I'm excited for the draft to be in Green Bay, and that's from a Lions fan. That's from a Lions fan perspective. When you look at the history of Green Bay and Packer fans, I'm putting respect on your name, regardless if we are North Division rivals. I don't even like the Bears, so fuck them. But when it comes to Green Bay, right, and the history that it has, they have every right to call themselves Title Town. I mean, look at the list of names that came out of Green Bay. Bart Starr, Aaron Rodgers, Donald Driver. You have Brett Favre. You have Reggie White, the minister of the defensive line. He's like a minister out there when he plays. And he plays the game just so well, fluently well. No matter if he was with the Eagles or Green Bay, he was going to be on the attack and going to be on the prowl for your defense. Hell, Jordy Nelson. You had freaking Devontae Adams. You had so many names come through that building and become legends of their own. And that's what we're going to build with over here in Detroit with Brad Holmes. And Brad Holmes has a vision of what he likes and what he would like to have on this team. Other than that, I'm definitely keeping an eye on what we're going to do at the 28th pick. Either we're trading back or we're going to trade up front, trade up a little bit more, probably, in this draft. We're going to look for certain things and certain keys that could fit with offense or defense. Offense is fine. We just hired John Morton. He understands the quality that this team has as an offense, and he understands, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Sam Laporta, J-Mo, and, Gibbs, Montgomery, Sonic Knuckles. He understands the offensive line and what they could do and what they could be productive at, coming up into the season. He understands that. So I'm looking forward to what we can bring to the table on draft day and free agency. And yes, I'm going to do some videos about free agency and whatnot. And I have a mock draft that I'm going to showcase to you guys with five being five mock drafts. I got a lot of good picks that you guys will like in that. Yeah, just like, share, subscribe to the channel. It's Chicken Nugget King 313. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm at 292 subscribers. And have a great day. One Pride. Let's go. Let's get it. And have a great day. Cheers. One love.